Hello everyone, I am Prathamesh Komte, AC Coordinator at ISA-VESIT. Today we will be creating our own app and control an ESP32 board via Arduino IDE. So, the software parts we need are Arduino IDE and MIT App Inventor. And the hardware parts are ESP32 board and IO shield. The specialty of ESP32 board is it has inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module. So let us begin with the code. Today we will be using the Bluetooth part of it. As we can see, we have included a library named as Bluetooth serial, which will help us to function the Bluetooth part of our ESP32 board. Now we have initialized a class named as ESP_BT, that is ESP Bluetooth. Below that we have initialized pin and given them the integer values, that is pin 1, pin 2 and pin 3. These integer values are nothing but the positions of the pins on our ESP32 board. After that, we have set parameters for our Bluetooth interface, setting integer named as incoming. Now basically, the Arduino IDE has two parts, that is void setup and void loop. Void setup is a part which, as the name suggests, it is just a setup and we will not require it more than once. So the first line here goes serial.begin 19200. This is the baud rate at which we will be functioning our code. Below that we can see ESP_BT.begin, and in bracket I have given the name to my ESP32 board's Bluetooth chip. Now here you can also change the name according to your need. I have given here ESP32_control. Below that I have set pin mode and the three outputs, that is the three of the LEDs as the output. Now let's come to the loop part. Now in void loop we can see if there is a condition loop, device is available to pair, the incoming value will be set by reading the value of the Bluetooth device, that is the values we are sending through our mobile or any controlling device. Below that we have initialized the two separate values, that is button and value. Now in button, as we have set the value in our MIT App Inventor, we have set some values under the button. Now when those values are divided by 10, if the button values comes to be 1, then the LED will switch on, and the button values come to be 0, then the LED will switch off accordingly. Now here we can see we have given this switch case, that is a switch loop, in which we have defined three different conditions, three different cases. The first one is 1, button 2 and button 3. Okay, so now let us upload this code by connecting our ESP32, and over it we can place our IO shield as the output device where we can see our LEDs placed. So let us upload this code to our ESP32 board now. Here we can see the serial port selected, and the detected and selected by the computer is port number 11. In the beginning we can also, before uploading, we can just go to tools, select the board. In that we can go to ESP32 Arduino and scroll down to do it dev kit. So we can find here do it dev kit 32, and we can select the same. Yes, so here I have selected do it ESP32 dev kit v1. This is the board which I am using right now. Select the port as COM11. Okay, now we have done uploading. Now let us move to MIT App Inventor. I will be giving you the link of this git code in which you will be having the source code which I have just uploaded on our ESP32 chip, and also the link to the MIT App Inventor. So after coming here, we can just click on create apps. New window will be opening. Need to sign in our accounts. Okay. No need to do anything here. Yes. So you can see, as you can see, in the description, I will be providing you with the best zip file in which your source code, your AI file, that is the MIT App Inventor file, and few of the required details will be provided. You have to just unzip that and download in your PC, and you can then easily use it. All of the required information, that is the source code as well as some of the data regarding MIT App Inventor, as well as one of the GitHub link will be provided in the description box, which you can refer to and download the zip file in which we have included all the necessary components and the all the files which we require for our project, so that you can use it when you are trying to build your own project. So yes, let us move to MIT App Inventor now. Now we can click on this is the basic home window of MIT App Inventor. Now we can click on projects, then click on import project from my computer, choose file. I have downloaded my .ai file from the GitHub link, from my GitHub link, and now you can now I can just select it and open it. Yes, so I can click OK. Okay, we can just name the file here. So yes, you can see this as a setup. If you are using the same link, you will get the similar type of setup in your PC as well on your screen. Now this is the easiest way, and it has been blocked and coded for making easy for you. Now these are the 3 buttons for 3 different LEDs. So I will be going towards build our app. Now it's compiling the app part of it. Till the time as you have uploaded the code in your Arduino on your ESP32 board through your Arduino IDE, this code basically sets some of the values and parameters in your ESP32 board. Also, it has enabled the Bluetooth chip to connect with your mobile device. Now I'll be opening my let us talk about that as well first, switching it on. And as you know, we have given the name of our Bluetooth device as ESP32_control. We can click on that. Yes, so you can see it is paired. It is paired with my mobile. So the next step we'll be going through is we'll be visiting Play Store and clicking yes. Now I have opened here MIT AI2 Companion. This is basically an application which will be helping you to use application whatever application you have designed to look at its interface part. Okay, so we'll be going back to our yes. So we can click here. You can see QR code on your mobile. QR code is available now on the screen, defining our app is ready to function. Download anyway. Then open the file, click on install anyway, open. So yes, here you can see various Bluetooth devices which are connected through which are paired with my device, that is my mobile phone. So here we need to find our ESP32 underscore control. Yes, here we can see ESP32 underscore control. When I'm clicking it, I am directly reaching to the app part of it. Now as we can see, if I'm clicking on button 1, then we can see the results on our IO board. Then button 2, the second LED gets off, and button 3, the third LED gets off. Basically I have set the values to on, and now whenever I'm clicking the buttons again, I can go and switch it on again. Yes. So let us come back to the window, and we can go to the block part. Yes, this is nothing but a simple text stack named as Scratch that makes user easily that helps the user to easily function its input and output functions. So here for button 1, the value I have set is 10. As I have explained you in the code, that we have set some of the incoming values. So here we can see those values are available in this block diagram. Now for button 1, I have set the value 11. Now if I will change it to 10, and the second values I can switch it to 11. Similarly here I can change it to 20 and 21, and the third value as third button will set to 30 and 31. Okay, so we'll just save this by clicking on Control S. Okay, no need to do this. So here, as we have changed the incoming values, all of this. So now we can again go back to our mobile phone, and here we can again switch on our Bluetooth, and we can see yes, our ESP32 control is paired with our device. We'll be opening our AI2 companion. Yes, and so we can see our QR code is ready to scan once again. Just scan it to download the application, the new application. We can till that time we can go to the changes to control. There are various Bluetooth devices which I have paired with. We can click on ESP32 underscore control. So yes, now I'll be clicking on one by one button, and the LEDs on the ESP32 board will be acting simultaneously. I'm clicking yes. So you can see when you are clicking on one of the LEDs turns on, which is assigned to button 1. Yes, you can see here third LED also close up. Same with 2. Now when I'm again clicking on it, turns off. This turns off. This turns off. Yes, so this was the basic application of Bluetooth where we are using one of the controller, that is our mobile, to control our ESP32, and the functionalities can be seen on our IO shield. The various components on the IO shield can also be controlled in the similar manner using the Bluetooth. We have buzzer on it, we have IR sensor, we also have relays and potentiometer on this. So that's all for the video. Thank you everyone for patiently listening to our video till the end. Please like it and share with your friends so that they can also get acknowledged with this amazing function and they can build their own projects. And please subscribe to ISA-VESIT channel. Thank you.